Hello everybody, Mcfaboy10 here on Living the Duct Tape Life, and this week's theme is girly wallet. So I don't have a ton. I don't make very many girly crafts, but I'm going to show you a few that I've made in the past. And excuse the price tags on these. I had a craft fair a while back, and I don't know. These are ones that didn't sell. This one, cotton candy clouds. Lighting's a bit off, but yeah. This one is very old, but it's the animal hearts, zebra heart. This one, when I still needed V pockets from a long time ago. And then this leopard lips, leopard kisses, cheek kisses, I don't know. And chrome and teal. Look how thin the border's right there. It's so skinny. But yeah. And then this one, I don't know, it's not too girly, but there's glitter on it, so it's the Red Sox logo in glitter. Like, I don't know, I'm a guy and I would not carry something like this around. So I imagine this to be like a Red Sox fan lady wallet. I don't know. And then you guys might hate me for showing this one, but I don't know. Some of you will be upset with me for showing the My Little Pony, because I know that it's got an audience for men, but it wasn't intended for guys at first. Somehow it expanded in that direction. And when I was a kid, no guys had My Little Pony toys, so it's, you know, I think it's kind of a girly thing. And then the cherries on the picnic blanket, something, I don't know what it's called. And this one has glitter again. And it's got a bunch of oopsies. Just gonna fix this. My camera setup is absolutely, I don't know, awful, wretched. But with glitter. Is that focused? I can't tell. But yeah. And this one, it's gummy bears in pink and blue. So pink and blue. Those are, well, the pink is kind of a girly thing. Right? Wouldn't you say so? Yeah. And this last craft that I have with me is Starbucks. This Starbucks painting from a while back. But yeah, Starbucks is kind of a white girly thing. Yeah, and then there's one more wallet, but I don't have it with me. I made it a while ago, but it was like the epitome of a white girl wallet, so I feel like I'll just show a picture of that right here. Yeah, so those are all the crafts, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, tell me what you think in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.